Allah Ta'ala, everything that all the makhlukat was in need of, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala put that in the planet Earth in 4 days. The attribute that I've chosen today of Allah Ta'ala is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa kana Allahu ala kulli shay'in muqeeta. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina wa nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina wa habibina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. So we've been doing these attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a long time, and the attribute that I've chosen today of Allah ta'ala is al-Muqeet. Al-Muqeet. Qut in Arabic language is used for just enough provision. Nabi Kareem alayhi salatu wasalam used to make dua, Allahumma ja'al rizqa ali Muhammadin quta. That, oh Allah, make for the family of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam the provision that is just bare subsistence, yani just enough. In another hadith, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that, in fact, it's in Abdullah bin Abbas's qawl, that كان الرجل يقوت أهله قوتا فيه سعة وكان الرجل يقوت أهله قوتا فيه شدة فنزلت من أوسط ما تطعمون أهليكم. The reason I'm mentioning this is just to tell what qut is. Sayyidina Abdullah bin Abbas, he said that a man would give his family food that was abundant, and another would give his family food that was just barely sufficient, yani qut. And then this following verse was revealed, min awsati ma tut'imuna ahlikum. So Muqeet is the one who provides sustenance, the nourisher, the sustainer. Not only the one who provides, the one who is the khaliq, who is the creator of the sustenance, of the provision, and then one who provides as well. So generally in English language, when you will find the translations of Al-Muqeet, you will find the sustainer, the nourisher. As I said, that it is not only the sustainer, not only the nourisher, but also the one who creates that the provision, the qut, and also the one who provides that. So in one of the ulama said that Al-Muqeetu khaliqul aqwat al-badaniyati wal-ruhaniyati وموصلها إلى الأشباه والأرواح. المقيت خالق الأقوات البدنية والروحانية وموصلها إلى الأشباه والأرواح. That Al-Muqeet, the one, the sustainer, the nourisher, Al-Muqeet is the one who is the creator of the aqwat, of the qut, of the sustenance of badan and ruh both. So the bodies need sustenance and the ruh also needs sustenance. There are many things that our ruh needs. In order for our ruh to survive, we have a lot of things that we need. 5 daily prayers, for example, Ramadan, charity, good acts. So these are the things that attract or that pull the provision for the ruh. And the provision for the ruh is the rahmat of Allah Ta'ala. But anyway, there are other things that are subtle things as well that only Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala knows. But Allah Ta'ala is the creator of the aqwat, of badan, of the bodies, and also of the ruh. And not only that, He is the one who takes it, who provides it, who carries it to all the bodies and the ruh. وَمُوسِلُهَا إِلَى الْأَشْبَاهِ وَالْأَرْوَاحِ. So this is Al-Muqeet. In another definition, Al-Muqeet is Al-Muqtadiru ala shay yuqalu aqata ala shay idha iqtadara alayh. Al-Muqeet is the one who has the control over everything, who is qadir over everything, And it is said in Arabic language, aqata ala shay. So it is said, aqata ala shay when idha iqtadara alayhi. When somebody is in control of somebody, he said, aqata ala shay. So al-Muqeet is also the one who is in control of things. So as I said that it has different meanings, but if we combine the two, I've already said it, that al-Muqeet is the one who is the Khaliq, who is the creator of the sustenance for the body and the soul, and then the one who also provides it to all the bodies and all the spirit, all the arwah. So without going into more technicalities of it, first thing first, we need to know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Khaliq, He is the Malik, He is the creator, He is Ar-Rahman, He is Ar-Rahim, He is Al-Latif, He is Al-Khabir, He is the one who is Al-Hakim, who is the wise, He knows, He is Rabbul Alameen, He is the one who is the caretaker of all the universes, of all everything. We need to have this yaqeen and this iman, that belief within us. And as I've been saying, the reason we do all of these attributes and these character building workshops is that if we have that yaqeen, that certainty that Allah Ta'ala is everything, then a person goes into a very stable state. A person goes into a very, a balanced state, a moderate state. He is not panicked a lot. He is not impatient. Whatever happens with him or around him, he understands that there is a reason for that, and Allah Ta'ala is in control, and he does not go into that state where he becomes hopeless. So a person's character becomes such an amazing character if people really understand the attributes of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. So Allah Ta'ala is the one who has created all of us, and Allah Ta'ala is the one who knows what all of us need from every perspective, from every aspect, be it our physical being or be it our spiritual being, right? So when Allah Ta'ala created the planet Earth, Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran that He created the heavens and the earth, and at one place He said, وَقَدَّرَ فِيهَا أَقْوَاتَهَا فِي أَرْبَعَةِ أَيَّامٍ. Allah Ta'ala destined in the earth its aqwat, its qut, its provision. Remember, qut is the necessary provision that all of us need in 4 days. Allah Ta'ala, everything that all the makhlukat was in need of, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala put that in the planet Earth in 4 days. So whatever I need, whatever human beings need, whatever animals need, the cats need, the dogs need, the mosquitoes need, the ants need, the lizards need, the snakes need, all of the living beings, whatever they were in need of, or what they were going to be in need of, Allah Ta'ala put that provision, that aqwat in the earth in 4 days. So this, people might say, why 4 days? Well, Allah Ta'ala knows why 4 days, right? A baby is created in the womb of the mothers in 9 months. Why 9 months? Why not 7? Why not 6? Right? So it's in the wisdom of Allah Ta'ala why 4 days. But anyways, all the sustenance, all the provision that any of the makhluk of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala needs, all what the plants need, all what the trees need, Allah Ta'ala put that in the earth. And He is the one who is Al-Muqeet, who has created all of this, who has put that in the earth, and then He provides it whenever people are in need of that.